So this is like my Sunday meal prep for the weekdays, and in case I need some carbs when the things are almost over, I add that too. So my first important thing is like I need my veggies on point. Can't afford to like lose that up, and a little bit of yogurt and more of. I like my veggies a little more of the what do you call that? Shepherd's pie type, but yeah, it doesn't always work out that way. But lemon zest is a main in all veggies, especially if it has corn and beans. Oh god. So lemon juice and lemon zest. So the yogurt actually takes up all the spices that I put, and nothing better than a little liquid cheese on the main contents to piece everything together in the thing. So the next is obviously a little bit of fat. So I go for canned tuna. So I just stir it a little bit with milk and then add some spices. I love chicken masala with tuna, and dry mango powder goes very well with tuna. I add some salt later because yeah, the canned tuna has a lot of salt. So for protein, I'm going for hot dogs, chicken hot dogs today, and I'm adding some peas and some capsicum to it. And so I take any sauce. Sometimes I love kung pao sauce. So I take 1 tablespoon of that and then add a little bit of honey to it. Or this time I had maple syrup, so I just added maple syrup instead. It goes very well. And just let it boil and let the sausage soak in all the beautiful sauce. And it looks so good and it tastes amazing once it absorbs everything up. Look at that. Love it. So now what happens is a lot of times I have a meal or two, and then some of it is left over, like by Wednesday lunch. And Wednesdays I usually have more carbs compared to the other days when I'm just probably munching on veggies and proteins and stuff. So I just mix everything up and add a easily ready carb option that's flattened rice. I don't really need to make the rice also, so it's like saves a lot of hassle. So I just scramble an egg maybe, or I can skip that, but it kind of gives this taste with this beautiful oil. And when the egg soaks the gravy up from the veggies, oh god, it's so good. So I added the vegetable option that I had made and let the egg soak it up. And then eventually I also add the sausages, and so the veggies and the sausages that I made go with a very amazing combination. Skipping the tuna because I kind of finished it. So yeah, I just stirred it up, add a little bit of water to get everything together, and then I'm adding flattened rice to it because that's like a readily available option. So I just we also call that poha, right? So we just under running water just wash it once. Don't really need to soak it up, and you're done for lunch. Yay! Share and subscribe. Like this video. Thanks, guys.